I just want to do a quick video on cleaning up your clock hands. Here's a clock hand I just got through cleaning. Here's the minute hand. Here's the hour hand. It came off the same clock, and you can see a difference. And the only thing I use is soap and water. I have some Dawn dish detergent on this sponge. I put the hand onto the sponge, taking a toothbrush. The soap is getting on the hand from the toothbrush, flipping it over a few times. You don't want to use anything abrasive on these hands. You know, they're plastic, especially the bone hands. You don't want to use anything abrasive because you end up destroying your hands. Just a typical soap and water is all you need. Rinsing it off. Here's the minute hand. Here's the hour hand. Now they match. They're clean again. I hope this video helps. Hit the subscribe button. God bless.